Ankylosing spondylitis is one of the most important hot topic among all the important hot topics of the rheumatology for the MRCP exams. Alright. So before ankylosing spondylitis, once again I should remember the common pictures of the seronegative spondyloarthritis. So what are the seronegative spondyloarthritis? As I said, RAPE are for reactive arthritis, A for ankylosing spondylitis, P for psoriatic arthritis, and E for enteropathy associated arthropathy. And the common features, we put one single mnemonics, that is the SHA-D. So if I ask anybody else, alright, what are the common features of the ankylosing or seronegative spondyloarthritis, so we can do it. So once again, what are the features of ankylosing spondylitis? Same, the SHA-D will be applicable here. Alright, but just can you follow? Alright, in your notes it is written the features of ankylosing spondylitis. It is given some of the important features, like it is given and shown that ankylosing spondylitis, the word starting with the A, so the mnemonics is the A. So it is written A for apical fibrosis, A for anterior uveitis, A for aortic regurgitation, A for Achilles tendinitis, A for AV node block, A for amyloidosis, and once again Kodai equina syndrome, and last but not the least, there is the peripheral arthritis, means the 25% more common in the females. Now follow me. How we can remember all the important features of ankylosing spondylitis. So let's do it. We will do from top to bottom. Alright. So starting with the eyes. Alright. Number one, what are the features of ankylosing spondylitis? Number one, we can write the eyes. So once again, A for anterior uveitis. Alright, anterior uveitis means the iritis. Iritis means you must remember the painful red eye. This is also very important topic. Sometimes anterior uveitis is coming up in your exam. So once again, as we also learned, the anterior uveitis is one of the most important common features of all the seronegative spondylitis. So A for anterior uveitis in the eyes. Next, number two, go down. And in the lungs, A for apical fibrosis. We will study the lung fibrosis is one of the important hot topic in the respiratory system. We will see what are the diseases producing the apical zone fibrosis predominantly, and predominantly basal zone fibrosis. And in there we'll see that all the connective tissue disease can produce the basal zone fibrosis except is the ankylosing spondylitis and psoriatic arthropathy or psoriasis. So among A for once again apical fibrosis, it will be helpful to remember. Next point, number three, is the heart. In heart, how A will be helpful, so we can write aortic root dilatation. This aortic root dilatation will lead to aortic regurgitation. Aortic regurgitation, then more and more dilatation. This leads to the aortic dissection, which is one of the most important dangerous complications of aortic root dilatation, leading to aortic dissection, especially the ankylosing spondylitis. Next point is A for once again AV conduction block, starting from the first degree, second degree, and also the third degree AV block. And also once again A for we can remember the amyloidosis. Whenever the word of the amyloidosis is come up, so you should remember the amyloidosis is involving in the heart by restrictive cardiomyopathy, RCM, plus nephrotic syndrome. Just put in your mind, amyloidosis is nothing but restrictive cardiomyopathy and nephrotic syndrome. Along with just put H as the word, it will be helpful in amyloidosis. Means the first two you must remember, RCM and NS, with the nephrotic syndrome, along with the hepatosplenomegaly. Now forget it. So amyloidosis. Once again, heart, aortic root dilatation, aortic regurgitation, aortic dissection. A for AV conduction block, and next is the A for amyloidosis. in the heart. Number 4. Then go down once again on abdomen. On abdomen once again we can write the amyloidosis, as amyloidosis will have the nephrotic syndrome in the kidneys as well as the hepatosplenomegaly. Then number 5, A for arthritis, joint involvement. As we said, the A for axial joint involvement as well as the SI joints. Means the spine joints and SI joints, arthritis is important feature of ankylosing spondylitis. And once again, arthritis is the asymmetrical oligoarthritis. Is important feature of ankylosing spondylitis. Next, number 6, go down. It will be helpful. A means the coda equina A. You just write the block letter A. It will be helpful to remember the rule of A. Once again, the rule of A, how is helpful. It is helpful the coda equina syndrome to remember, which is an important feature of ankylosing spondylitis. And last, the 7 word, it will be helpful the foot, write the plantar fasciitis, PLA. You can write the block letter PLA, plantar. Once again, fasciitis, A block letter. You can write plantar fasciitis. And as well as A for Achilles tendinitis. It will be helpful, tendinitis. So dear doctor, along with this all A's feature, it will be really helpful to remember all of these features of ankylosing spondylitis. So starting with the eyes, anterior uveitis means the iritis, then go down, then the lungs, there is the apical zone fibrosis, then the heart. In the heart, there is starting with the aortic root dilatation, leading to aortic regurgitation, leading to aortic dissection. Next is the AV node conduction block is also another important, and another is the amyloidosis leading to restrictive cardiomyopathy. Then go down once again, then abdomen. On abdomen we can get the hepatosplenomegaly, which can be a feature of amyloidosis. So whenever you ask the A for amyloidosis, amyloidosis leading to RCM plus nephrotic syndrome plus hepatosplenomegaly. So RCM plus NS plus HS is a feature of amyloidosis. We'll see in the different chapter, we'll discuss more in details regarding amyloidosis. So once again, on the abdomen, hepatosplenomegaly. Then go down, before going down, the joint involvement. Joint involvement, A for arthritis, axial joint involvement means the spondyloarthritis. Next point, A for SI joints as well, and also the A for asymmetrical oligoarthritis. Then go down, it will be helpful. There is the leg weakness being a part of the coda equina syndrome. So coda equina A, once again, it will be helpful to remember. Then go down, then the Achilles tendinitis, plantar fasciitis, it will be helpful. So all the ankylosing spondylitis, A, rule of A will be helpful along with this important discussion to remember all of these features of ankylosing spondylitis.